Hi, Asha Kanksha Foundation. Myself Sankalp Garg, and I have completed my internship during the period of 15 December to 31st January. I have enjoyed a lot working with Asha Kanksha Foundation. Spending time with those children was a great fun. Teaching them the basic subjects and more importantly, learning from them. Learning how without resources, how without having any luxurious life, you can enjoy life. Um, my coordinator was Bhavika Agarwal and she was always cooperative during the period of internship. She was always explained very carefully and clearly that what should be done and what the organization demands from us regarding any activity. I think that we spent some really good time with those children. But one thing I can suggest is that we can increase the number of hours per day and reduce the number of days. Like in present scenario, we spend 1 hour per week with those children, which I feel was very less, because next time when you go to same place, either you don't find the same children or you cannot relate to what previously you have done. So the effort that have been spent in teaching those children the previous things goes into vain, I feel. And so if we can give those children 2 to 3 hours per day and reduce number of days, that can be a good way to spend some more time with those children and understand better their lifestyle, and we can, I think, help them more in this scenario. It was great time with Asha Kanksha Foundation, and I would love to continue this work. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am highly obliged. Thank you.